Hey, what's up everyone? Just want to make a quick video on our gear locks. We've had a few questions about the way that they attach to the landing gear, so figured I would just do this just to clear a few things up. When you are attaching the actual gear lock to the landing gear, once you've got your angle set and got everything in nice and tight, you want to get it butted up there to where that rubber piece is nice and flat on that landing gear. The Velcro strap, which this is kind of the key to do it this way. Wrap your Velcro strap around once, go through the metal loop, then instead of going back around to tighten there, just go back underneath. And once you've gone underneath, get that nice and tight, go back through your metal loop, and then pull again to get all that slack out. And once you've done that, both sides that way, that bad boy is moving nice and solid. So I've been using them for about a month and a half now, and they are rock solid, so we're really happy with them. Still got some in stock. Give me a shout if you would like to pick some up or if you have any more questions. Thanks, guys.